Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're going to be making the most incredible little coconut guava cookies, and these are a breeze to put together. They taste out of this world. Now let's get started. To start these cookies, I'm adding 2 egg whites to my bowl along with a 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm going to whip these up on high until they're nicely thickened and white in color. This should take you about 4 to 5 minutes, and it can be done by hand as well with a whisk. If you guys are new to my channel, I post new quick and easy recipes every other day. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and click that bell so you won't miss out. Now after the egg sugar mixture develops into this soft meringue texture, I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of toasted unsweetened shredded coconut and about 8 ounces of guava paste. You can substitute this guava paste for some dried figs or some cut up dates, but this guava coconut mixture has that tropical feel that nothing else can really compare to. After everything is incorporated, I'm going to place them by the tablespoonfuls onto a lined cookie sheet, and these are going to go onto a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Once the bottoms are nicely golden brown, allow them to cool a few minutes before removing them from the pan and enjoy. If you guys like this tropical recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave your comment down below on your thoughts, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes.